Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for the month of November. Right here, I have the base box, and this box costs $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size beauty products, and you're promised a value of at least $120, I believe it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay guys, so this month's theme is Boxycharm Harvest. Pretty cute theme, I like it. So the first thing that I got, this is my choice item. I chose the Milk Makeup Kush Waterproof Mascara. It's a lot bigger than I expected. I like the packaging. It feels super heavy. I don't know, I really like it. I honestly was not super excited about this. I just picked it out of the 3 options that we had. I think it was a Benefit Brow Gel, this, and something for the lips, like some kind of lip treatment. So I chose mascara, even though I'm not like huge into mascara because I own a lot right now, and I like Milk makeup, so that's why I chose this. It's so huge and heavy, and the packaging just feels like different. Okay, let's open it up and see how the wand looks. Doesn't smell bad. This is the kind of wand that it has, pretty large wand. I'm excited to try it out. And this says it's a waterproof intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil, and this retails for $24. So either way, I'm excited to try it out because the last few times I've gotten things from Milk Makeup from my Boxycharms, I've loved it. If you watched any of my past unboxings, I wasn't too like impressed with some of the things that I got because I didn't want those kinds of items. And I really ended up loving them, so I'm excited because so far what I've tried from Milk has been pretty good quality, so I'm excited to try this out. So that was my choice item. The next thing that I got is the Natasha Denona Peak Palette. It's packaged in this cardboard little cardboard box, which I just thought was interesting. I don't know if that's normal. And it was wrapped in bubble wrap. I don't know if that's normal, but okay, why not? Ooh. First of all, it feels heavier than I expected. That's how it looks. Let me open it up. Okay. Super pretty. So it says that this is a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes. Okay, so we have, this is composed of both creamy, matte, and metallic formulas. All right. It's pretty nice. I see a little bit of fallout right on it, but that's fine. I really think it's a really nice little palette. I love oranges. Every tone in here I really like, so I can see myself creating something nice with it. And this retails for $48 apparently. So it is a 5-pan palette. I think I'll be doing a look with this soon, so look out for that. Pretty cute. Okay, the next thing that I got is a brush set. This is from Moda Metallics. I think I'm gonna get it out of the packaging. Okay, but here it says that this is a crease brush and a triad eye. It says this unique brush can precisely apply shadows, blend into the crease, and define the lid due to its flat angle and tapered tip. Oh my god, I love angled brushes. Let me check how it is. So it's 2 brushes in here, and this retails for $15, and it's from Moda Cosmetics. I've never heard of them before, but I do love brushes, and these look super cute. That's how they look. So, okay, this is kind of, they call it a triad brush because the shape is so different. So it's kind of angled, and it's supposed to be good for getting like in the crease and kind of, I guess, creating kind of interesting shapes. I'm really excited to try that out. And then this one is just as crease brush. Very interesting. I like the colors, they're really pretty. I could always use some more makeup brushes. So that was my third item, and that retails for $15. Next, I got this from Yenza Beauty, and it is a pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. Not too excited about that, honestly. So it says here, it's formulated with a super orange essence. This gentle 2-in-1 mask and face polish hydrates and exfoliates, leaving skin supple and radiant. Okay, so it says smooth and thin layer on clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Gently massage. Use 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, like I've explained this in the past. I kind of have all my skincare settings turned off in my quiz because I'm not interested in skincare right now. I have enough skincare, and I feel like, I don't know. Let me smell it. I can already kind of smell the pumpkin, and it's not even like open. It's sealed, and I can smell it. So it doesn't smell bad, but I would rather not. I have so many masks, but either way, this retails for $45. So it's fine. Why not, I guess. But it's just not what I was into. I just bought also like a few different masks from Ipsy, from their add-ons. So, and I actually have like on the Boxy pop-up shop, thank God I didn't finish my order, because some of the things that I had in my cart, they sent to me, and I didn't want to go ahead and check out because I didn't know what I was going to get in my box, and my box was a little later than I expected it to be. The last thing that I got is the Farsali Privé Quench. Okay, I had this in my Boxy pop-up cart, and I wasn't sure if I wanted it, and I did not want to get this in my box. So this is a moisture replenishing serum. So it's a serum that helps to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration in both the skin surface and in the epidermis. Okay, so this retails for $24. I'm fine with getting that, but the thing is that makes me upset. Last month's Boxycharm was so like on point with what my quiz says, but this month it's like, it seems like they just gave me whatever was left over because I have all my skincare settings turned off. And then also, like, this was in my pop-up cart, and it's so cheap right now. So I would have rather like bought it there. I don't know, I think it's like $6 instead of getting it in my box, because yeah, and get like something different. But you know what? I always go back to the same thing. This is only $25 for these items, so it's totally worth it either way, because just this palette alone probably paid for the box, so I don't mind. But did I say, oh yeah, that retails for $25. And we also get it like a Natasha Denona 25% off coupon. Okay. So that's it for my box. Okay, so according to my calculations, this box is valued at $156. I have variation 23, and my box weighed 1.1 pounds, in case anyone is wondering. Just to recap, got the Farsali Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum, 2 eye brushes from Mora Cosmetics, Natasha Denona Peak Eyeshadow Palette, Yenza Pumpkin Turmeric Mask, and the Milk Kush Waterproof Mascara. So when I put it together, I'm like, okay, I paid $25. That's fine. I'm really gonna use the brushes, the eyeshadow palette, mascara. I'll use it when I run out of the ones that I have open right now. The other things, I mean, I'm gonna definitely try this Farsali serum. I would have really preferred to buy it from pop-up because it was so cheap, but either way, I'm pleased with my box this month. Yeah, if you want to see a tutorial with this palette, and definitely subscribe so that you don't miss that. I did a tutorial with last month's palette that I received, the Ciate London, the editor palette, New England editor palette, and I'll link that down below if you want to watch it, and a few other tutorials. But either way, thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, that's the end of my unboxing. If you haven't subscribed yet, then go ahead and do so. It will mean a lot to me. Leave me a comment letting me know what you got in your box. Did you like this month's Boxycharm? How did they do for you? And yeah, follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.